Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to enable FPS counter in AMD software. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. To view real-time FPS with AMD, follow these steps. 1. Launch any game. 2. Press the Windows and G key simultaneously. This will open the AMD Radeon software overlay. 3. Locate the FPS counter on the top right corner of the overlay. This will display your current FPS. And 4. To pin the FPS counter to the screen, click the pin icon in the overlay. This will keep the FPS counter visible even when you exit the overlay. That's it, you are now monitoring your in-game FPS. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.